Here at Garland, we recognize that your roof is a significant investment, one that you expect to last the test of time. So, when making purchasing decisions, a new roof should not be evaluated solely on initial costs. Instead, consider the total value of a roof. The initial cost, plus the required maintenance, expected service life, energy cost savings, sustainability, and any value-added costs received.
Every roof has a life cycle cost. Now, the life cycle cost is the initial cost plus the maintenance divided by the number of years your roof has performed. Now, taking that into consideration and any safety factors and any additional improvements beyond the standard is a bonus for the owner. The owner can then be rest assured that the roof cannot fail prematurely.
In the roofing side, I don't think that there's too much uncertainty about the long-term durability of various products. There's lots of historical and statistical data. And, if you want to pick the lowest at the bottom, loose laid EPDM membranes, it should be no secret to anybody that they're very problematic in terms of life cycle and durability. And, two-ply modified bitumens and some similar are really at the high end of that list. So if that's not just a Garland specific thing, it really is what materials you choose and how you put them down, well, you get what you pay for.
Compare the total value of a roof to solely the upfront cost, and it's easy to see the long-term cost savings. While a Garland roof may cost more initially than a standard roofing solution, it's because it is a higher quality product designed to provide years of watertight protection. Garland materials last longer than lower-priced options because of the exceptional quality of our materials and the comprehensive support services we offer.
Now, we should not be satisfied with the minimum requirement, which is usually the standard. If a manufacturer has an additional strength, it should be welcomed by the user, because it gives you peace of mind.
When you choose a Garland roof, you can rest easy knowing that Garland roofing materials and products perform above industry standards, offering the best value. For more information on Garland Roofing, visit garlandco.com.